Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
Okay, Val. Reporting for duty. What's my next assignment?
Thank you, Ms. Beleva. I was starting to worry.
I need a change.
Oh, really?
Yeah, maybe something more public facing.
Interesting. Elena's ready for her close-up?
Yeah, this just isn't working for me anymore.
I love promoting women. To complete this last assignment for Oxen, you have a deal.
Okay.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.